Jackson. So today is Microwave Monday. We are going to play a game in the microwave. It's called Last Egg Stand.
Oh yes, it's called Last Egg Standing. We all know what happens whenever you put eggs into the microwave, don't we, Mummy? What happens? They explode, that's right, Mummy. Okay, so let's go through who we have here. So the rules of the game is, whatever egg is left standing is intact at the end of the microwave cycle is the winner. Okay, Phoenix, what is the name of your egg? This is your egg, isn't it?
Dory.
This is Dory. Hold it up to the camera to show everyone. Oh! 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 No.
Dory didn't make it.
Oh,
It's okay, Dory can still be microwaved, it's okay.
It's okay, Dory's still there. I'm sorry, Feeny Boo.
I'll save Dory!
Oh my goodness. This was Mummy's egg. This can be Mummy and Cash's egg as well.
Cash has 2 eggs. Cash has 2
Oh, you've
eggs.
got 2 eggs. Where's Dory?
No, that's Nemo.
Oh, this is Nemo. Okay, we've got Nemo here. We need to be very careful.
He's already cracked it.
Where's the holder? Come on, Mummy. Oh, this is Nemo. Okay.
And now mine.
Okay, so this is.
Okay, so.
Explain yours.
So, this is Jeff. This here is Jeff.
Yes.
And so I put on the back, so his name. And he likes the beach and he likes sun.
Okay.
That's
Welcome,
mine.
Jeff, to the round. Okay, Jeff, I think you're in the lead already, dude. But don't tell me. Oh, jeez. You broke it again.
Dare you? I think
I'm not touching the eggs. This, Mummy, can you explain your egg?
This is Pennywise's eye.
Sally the eyeball.
Oh, okay, we've got Sally the eyeball here. Let's set her up here.
I'll cut it.
And my personal favorite.
Wait.
This is Jackson. Who is it?
Jurgen Klopp.
This is Jurgen Klopp, the manager of Liverpool. As you
I
can
really hope
see,
that one gets smashed.
the little bird on the back here.
Guys, I am not a Liverpool fan anymore.
You are a Liverpool fan.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you
No,
are.
I'm not.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
Klopp is going to do it. Here we go. See, Mummy.
That's Club's chair.
So,
There, that's Club's chair. That's Club's
I
chair.
know.
That's Club's chair.
okay, don't touch the
I
eggs.
love
They're very
I
delicate.
love the thing with that.
Okay, Phoenix, are you ready?
Did you see the back, guys?
Alright, guys, so we got a new contender here. Who's this guy? What's your name?
Alex.
This is Alex. Yeah, this is Phoenix's friend, isn't it? You're happy to have Alex here, aren't you?
Yeah.
So Alex has just made an egg. Alex, where's your egg? Can you find your egg? Where's it gone? Phoenix, can you tell everyone where we've got a new egg? We've got a new Nemo, is it?
Yeah.
I think Daddy broke the last one. So Alex, what's your egg called?
Joe.
It's called Joe. Yeah, cool name. High five, man. Okay, so we have Jackson here with Jeff. Jeff, where's Jeff from, Jackson?
What?
Colorado, yes. We have got Joe. Joe is a scientist and likes rocks. What is that called? A geologist. Yes.
I was close. I was going to say
Joeologist.
Well, by the way, we have another Joe here. Say hello, Joe.
Joeologist.
And we've got the egg, Sally the eye. We've got Nemo the third. And we have Dory with a cracked head. Okay. Do you know what we're going to do, Alex? Where are we going to put them? We're going to put them in the microwave, yeah? Don't worry about it,
What is Red Nemo?
We are about maybe 20 seconds in here and there's no movement here. Jurgen is looking pretty strong, Nemo on the left. Pretty surprised looking with them eyelashes. What was your thoughts on them eyelashes, Phoenix?
What about my eyeball? Can nobody see my eyeball?
Oh, yes, we see your eyeballs over to the
Remy
left.
looks so dirty.
Oh my god, there's movement.
What's happening? Oh,
Nemo.
oh no, Joe's sweating here at the back.
Oh my god, look!
Joe is sweating here, it's okay.
Oh my god, look!
He's cracking under the pressure. This is so exciting here. What's going on with Joe? He's sweating so much. Oh, there's a crack in Jurgen. Jurgen's about to blow.
Yes.
No. What do you call it? I forgot his name. Nemo's looking good.
Jeff.
Sally out the left. Looking pretty stern. No
Jeff.
cracks.
Jeff.
Oh, Jurgen's looking bad. Whoa! Who was that?
Who was that? Oh my god, it was Joe!
Joe just popped! Oh my goodness!
It smells.
That make you jumped! Wow!
Joe won!
No! Joe lost!
What? Oh, that's damage. I'm sorry.
Joe scrambled.
Stand back! Joe scrambled everywhere!
Oh, it's
Jürgen.
Jürgen! He's cracking at the sides!
He is cracking! Phoenix is ready for it! Everybody close your ears!
Your ears!
Nemo's still going strong! Oh, pressure's getting to all of us! Nemo's starting to sweat!
Oh no! Nemo!
Along with me, I'm starting to sweat. Wow, they're going for quite a long time. We're in like 4 minutes now.
That's strange, isn't it?
What do you think, Alex? What do we do?
Smell.
Should we open up and see what's going on?
No.
Whoa! Oh, this is good!
It's just hanging.
Oh, Lord! Okay.
Okay, so that was definitely Jürgen and Nemo. Jürgen and Nemo are gone.
Okay, I think it's pretty dangerous now.
Okay, Jürgen and Nemo are gone. So all that's left is
Phoenix.
Jeffy
Phoenix,
and
run
Sally
away.
the eyeball.
That's how I went wrong.
That's looking.
Go, get down.
It's like a bomb in there.
Oh, it stinks. I can't believe you've done this in your office. You should have done this one
This
outside.
is outside, is right. Let's take a look.
Totally.
Okay, here we go. This is the final. You ready, Alex? Jackson? Cashy?
Hold on, no! Stop it! If I win, we're having a party.
Okay, here we go again. 5 minutes. What do you think?
Joe should be.
I'm afraid of it like blowing up in front of us. What do you think, Alex?
It's gotta be Jeffy because that's where Joe went on that side.
Oh, this is that was awful.
Jeffy just exploded!
Cheerio! Cheerio! We got a winner!
Microwave, I'm punching you.
Ah! Alright guys, thanks for watching. It's a big thumbs up from Alex. Give him the big thumbs up. Give him the share the love from Phoenix. Yeah! We got the winner is Sally the Eyeball. I want to thank all the other contenders. We had Jeff, we had Joe, we had Jürgen, and we had Nemo. They all lost their minds. They're in eggy heaven. Jaxie, what should the people out there do?
Subscribe, share the video, and comment down below what else you would like us to put in the microwave next week.
Oh yes.
Bye.